Hey guys, Musa here from Quantum Home Improvements and Solutions. Today I'm going to talk to you about what to expect on this channel in Quantum Home Improvements. Now for me, home improvements is not just about doing handyman work or working around the house, but it's also working on improving your home life in every aspect, especially when you don't have much income. And so this channel will be about being self-sufficient. The level of entry that I make my videos at is not at the level of where someone has no experience at all and has never picked up a tool. You're gonna find it difficult to learn from my videos at that level, but it's gonna be very interesting for you to see the process. And if you do end up employing someone, at least you have a good idea what you should expect from them. But more so, the videos are to help the person who already has some prior knowledge and then give them those hints that they desperately need to do a good job and those things that they need to watch out for. We have chickens here and we do raise them, we breed them, raise them, and we do also consume them. So we will be doing videos on that. We're not going to show the gory details of dispatching chickens, but we will show how to clean them. My background is dressmaking. That was my first profession. But then I went into the building trade in sales, and then also worked in corporate for large companies like Stramit Industries, Hunter Douglas, and then I also ran my own business in Batemans Bay, selling blinds and awnings. And so I've got a lot of hands-on experience. But in my later life, after building 3 houses, I decided to get my carpentry license and then eventually my certificate for in building, and did a lot of bathroom, kitchen and laundry renovations. So that'll be part of this channel as well. I'll be showing you a lot of intricate things. Now, because of my cauda equina, I've got to be careful. My doctor has said that I need to slow down, and I will take his advice. It just means I'm going to take longer to make videos. I like to make food as well, and you'll see a lot of exotic cooking, things that you wouldn't normally do or see, and I'll be showing them on this channel. I hope you have enjoyed the content of my videos, and there's a lot more coming. Thanks guys, and I'll see you on the next one.